Want to get the most out of Claude AI? By using advanced features, writing better prompts, and organizing your work effectively, you can turn Claude into a powerful assistant for writing, coding, research, business, and everyday productivity. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use Claude AI like a pro in 2026. So let's get started. First, create detailed prompts that clearly explain your goal, preferred format, audience, and any important requirements. The more guidance you provide, the more useful Claude's responses will be. Don't be afraid to include examples if you have a specific style in mind. Next, upload documents, PDFs, spreadsheets, or notes whenever they're relevant. If you're working on long-term tasks, organize everything into projects so your files, conversations, and instructions stay together. Keeping related work in one place makes Claude much more effective. Instead of accepting the first answer, ask Claude to improve it. You can request more detail, a different writing style, simpler explanations, additional examples, or a completely new approach. Great results often come from several follow-up questions. Take advantage of Claude for writing, coding, brainstorming, document analysis, research, meeting summaries, planning, and learning new skills. Switching between different tasks is one of Claude's biggest strengths. Take a moment to experiment with different types of prompts. Update your personalization settings and project instructions so Claude better understands your preferences and responds more consistently across conversations. Reviewing your settings occasionally helps you make the most of new features. Before relying on Claude's output, review the information carefully and verify important facts when accuracy is essential. Combining AI assistance with your own judgment leads to the best results. So you've successfully learned how to use Claude AI like a pro, and that's how to use Claude AI like a pro. By combining clear prompts, projects, uploaded documents, follow-up questions, and thoughtful review, you can unlock Claude's full potential for work, learning, and creativity. The more you practice and refine your workflow, the more valuable Claude becomes as your AI assistant. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.